If you genuinely want to start making money on YouTube before 2025, watch this video because it might be life-changing for you. I say this because I've found a niche where you don't have to show your face, use your voice, or even do much editing. This niche is completely copy-paste. And on top of that, your channel's growth will be faster than a bullet train, since there is virtually no competition in this niche right now. Taking advantage of this, I've grown not one, not two, but 3 channels in just a few months. And if you think this won't earn much, first check the earnings of this channel. It's making anywhere from $12,000 to nearly $200,000 per month. Even if it only makes $10,000 per month, that's still 8 lakhs rupees in Indian rupees, and that's just for 1 month, so you can imagine how profitable this niche is. Here's a little secret. Even after this video, there won't be much competition in this niche because 50% of people will have left after the intro, and out of the remaining 49%, most won't take it seriously. But I know you're part of the 1% who will seriously apply every point mentioned in this video and will start filling your pockets in just a few months. Let me first show you a short clip from this niche. By now, you must believe that this niche doesn't require much effort. In this video, I'll explain how to edit shorts, optimize your channel to make your first short go viral, upload the shorts, select the right category, and finally show you how to make your shorts go viral. So, don't skip any part. Although I've simplified everything to the point that even a 10-year-old can understand, if you skip parts, you might miss something important and waste your time. So sit back and enjoy the video. Let's get started. First, you'll need to find the right clip. For that, go to Instagram and search Patel Motivational. You'll find such clips there. For example, I liked a clip on this page. First, check if the video follows all community guidelines and doesn't show anything inappropriate. This clip has no issues, so copy its link using the 3 dots and download the clip from any Instagram downloader website. Now, half of your work is done. You just need to edit the clip so it doesn't get flagged for reused content. First, open CapCut or any video editing software you want to use, adjust the ratio 9:16, and then import the downloaded files. First, add the gray blurred gradient background. You can download it from Google. Then drag the video on the gray background. Now go to Mask option and click on Rectangle. Cut the text part from video and keep the video part as it is. Now go to the Filter option and search Face Filter. Apply it and move on to the next part. Now, if you're satisfied with it, you can stop here. Otherwise, you can tweak the effects to your liking. Export the video, and I guarantee you won't have any copyright problems, although reused content might still be an issue. To avoid that, we'll add text so your channel can be monetized. You can do this with any editing app, like CapCut or InShot. Just add 2 or 3 lines relevant to the clip. I'll show you some examples. Now get back to CapCut and click on the text button, add your text. I'll use ChatGPT to get some motivational quotes related to my video. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write 1 or 2 lines related to your video, and it will generate it. Paste the copied text into text box. Now go to the right above corner, and here you can edit the font size, color, and animations. Next, go to YouTube and search for this channel. Choose the video that has the most views. Use its sound. You can use your voice too, but my advice is to use that video's music because there is a high chance of going viral if you use the same sound. Drag the sound file below the video, adjust its volume, and there you have it. Your video is ready. Click on the Export button. Now, if everything makes sense, give the video a like so I know you're following. You've learned how to create shorts, but to upload them, you'll need a channel. The surprising thing is you can even upload them on your old channel. I did the same with a dead random channel and grew it. If you don't believe me, check it out at the end. So if you have an old channel with subscribers, you can use it, or you can create a new one. It's not hard. Here are some keywords to include in your channel name. Make sure to verify them because it will help with views. Now, let's make your channel look appealing. For a logo, search for the first letter of your channel's name. For example, if I start a channel called Billion Thoughts, I'd search for BT logo. Download the one you like. If you want to make it pop with bright colors, use Pixel Lab. Open your downloaded logo image and click on Erase Color. After that, click on the color option and choose Gradient. Click on plus button and choose the color you like. If you also want a border, click on Shapes. Increase the radius to 100 and set the color to black. For the stroke width, set it to 30 and choose the gradient colors you like. Now save it and upload it to your logo. Upload the video with the same title for all your shorts but customize it based on the specific content. Paste the same title into the description and this text, which you will find in the description. If your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, don't forget to tag me because your comments motivate me to make unique videos for you. I will meet you in the next video. See you later.